Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be putting bird food inside our house. And here's an update on the house. But when my dad comes back, we're gonna stick it on the tree. So that's gonna be really fun to watch. And here's an update on the tree. That has lime green on the front, light orange, yellow orange in the sides, and yellow in the back. And then here we have a blue bottom, if you guys can see that right there. And then here we have a blue roof with some yellow squiggly lines on it. And here are the little sticks that are right here for the birds' feet to go on. Here is some purple. You guys can see that. There is some purple right there. If you guys can't, I'm so sorry. And I'm sorry if the camera shakes a lot. And guys, you guys might thinking, why do I have another one here? Or whose is it? Well, this is not mine, guys. This is my aunt's. She told me to paint it, if I could paint it for her, and I accepted it. And so, but I'm not gonna put bird food in this one because I'm gonna let her put it when I go to her house. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna tell you guys a little about this one. It's all blue, and then it has a heart instead of circles. And then the stick is pink. And the fence is purple, and then it has some green grass. And then I tried to do some like flowers, kind of. Try to show you guys. Try to do some like flowers right there, like right there. If you guys can see those dots, and then inside, like right there, like right, guys, like right inside there, and then I made some like. Well, my sister made like some tile. My sister, my biggest sister, made the roof and the chimney. So shout out to my sisters. And yeah, she painted the roof, and this is pretty cool how she painted it. And then I painted the rest. Okay, guys. So, and then you guys could buy a birdhouse if you guys want to do one. You guys could buy it at Walmart, Dollar Tree, Big Lots, and all those stores near you, almost. And then we found these. These paints didn't come with it. We had to buy it separately, and these paintbrushes, and the bird food too, of course. But the bird food only cost us. It was really cheap, so that's the good part. And so yeah, we're gonna open the bird food up and see what's inside. I'm gonna push here. It says push. Okay, guys, so we're gonna open it up. Okay, guys, so inside the box, you guys get one sack of bird food. You guys see this? This is Nutrition Diet Daily Blend Wild Harvest bird food. So parakeet, canary, and finch. And it's orange essence. That's pretty good. And it says if these all birds, and then so that's the good part. If you guys can hear that, you guys hear the birds chirping. If you guys can hear that, those are birds chirping. So yeah, guys, we'll be right back when we put food in my house, in the bird house. I mean. Okay, guys, so we are back. I have got some scissors and I opened the bird food. And then, so I'm gonna get my little birdhouse. And then I repainted it too. I like put another shade of the colors for it could look like a little darker. So guys, we're gonna put some in the house. This is the hard part, guys. So, let's see how we're gonna do it. Oh, it smells like orange. It does. Wow, that's a really strong scent actually. So we're gonna try to put some in here. Let's see if it works. It kinda did. So guys, we put some Oh, the bag's going crazy. Oh my god. Okay, guys, so we put some in this little 1 tablespoon. Okay, we didn't really fill it up, but we went in. Now, you guys just pour it in the house. No, it's spilling. Guys, it's spilled. It's spilled. Guys, this is super hard. And I kind of have allergies right now, a little, only so. Guys, we're gonna put like 1 more in, and then we are gonna see if the birds actually come. So stay tuned for that. Do not change the video yet, guys, because this might get interesting. Why do I keep spilling? I'm spilling. I'll clean that up later. Okay, guys, so I put some bird food inside. I'm gonna try to like look close to you guys. If you guys could see that inside, you guys could see a little. Okay, guys, so now we'll be right back when we put it outside. Okay, guys, so I set up the birdhouse in the lemon tree that's over there, and let's see how the birds react to it. So I put it like in that lemon tree right there. If you guys can see that. If you guys can see right there. We have a whole bunch of different plants. This is, I think, a lemon tree. That big one is a peach tree. Just a flower tree, and back of it, that is a melon tree. We're thinking. So, guys, we'll be right back if the birds come. Okay, guys, so we are currently still waiting until the birds come. But it's taking forever. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna eat my Airheads Extreme Spikes. If you guys have seen these or have tried them and you guys like them, comment down below. If you like these or saw them. And if you guys haven't got them, then go get them in the stores right now. They're sour and sweet. And comment down below, guys, some activities or challenges or what kind of stuff, what do you guys want me to do on my YouTube channel, science experiments, Lego sets, Play-Doh sets, and all those kind of sets, or Nerf gun war, and all those things. So guys, comment down below, what should I do? So guys, and then comment down below. Remember, guys, go look at my recent videos. Go watch Birdhouse Part 1. Go watch all the science experiments I've done. The blooming crystals, on the tree and all that stuff. Go check out the Spicy Noodle Challenge. Go check out all the videos. And right now, guys, let's go check on the birdhouse. If there is birds, guys, we're gonna have to be really quiet. And we will be right back when we're gone. Okay, I forgot to tell you guys that I moved it from here, so it's not in the lemon tree. It is right there. I put it on top of that chair, right there. There's no birds yet. Oh, there's a bird over there. I'm gonna put the house post too over there. No, flew up there, guys. Guys, it flew up. Comment down below. What fruit do you guys like? What should I do next in the next video? Then my sister's over there. Oh, my dog. I'm gonna get it out. Let's spend time with my dog. Guys, I wonder what she's looking for. Because she likes to get all type of things, so I do not know what she likes. Okay, guys, look at her. Okay, and we got her a collar today. We got her a collar today as well. Wait, I think there's a bird. I have to check. Darn it, birds! Get down from there. I have some food for you. I'm feeding you. Stop crying. I'm trying to feed them, but they keep crying, guys. So, guys, I think we're gonna make a part 2. Sorry about that, guys. My sister just asked me for the scissors. Guys, I think I'm gonna make a part 2 of this. If you guys haven't subscribe to Alex Glasso. Shout out to Pie Master, the turtle out of water, my sisters, and Daisy. Look at my dog. And my sister. Shout out to her. And then yeah, guys, we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Look at this dude. Ooh. Wait, guys, I'm gonna show you guys something. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. And if you guys haven't seen this video, the opening of this video when I started opening it, so we're gonna put the camera right. Okay, but wait. There you go. Yeah, but if you guys haven't seen this video, it's called A Big Surprise. Go check it out. And yeah, so if you guys remember all this stuff, the Electro, the Infinity Electro Sphere, the light up fuzzy squeezy over there, the crystal clear liquid glass putty, a dice for the game inside, and the bath toy. Guys, so we're gonna open this up and see if we're gonna do this. And this one is called the Super LED Glow. I used to have one of these, so I think I know how to use this. But mine didn't come with a control like this. So guys, we're gonna go test it out. I'm gonna get the camera and face it over there. If you guys can see me, I'm over here. Wait. Guys, before I do this, I gotta check the wind because the wind might blow this away. Ready? Set. Okay, guys. I'm sorry about that. Hey guys, I'm going to do this in another video when it's not that windy. But guys, that's the end of the video. If you guys don't subscribe, smash that like button and bye.